The following is a lecture given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 17th of April, 1969, in New York, New York.
Everything all right? Hare Krishna. Aradhita jadi haris tapasa tata kim. Govinda Adi Purush, he is known as Hari. Hari means who takes away all your miseries. That is Hari. Hara means taking away. Harati. So, that's like thief also takes away. But he takes away the valuable things, material consideration. Sometimes Krishna also takes away